Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube link to your TikTok account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your TikTok app. Now click on the profile icon in the bottom, and once your profile is opened, you can see the option for Edit Profile, so we will click on it. After that, you can see the YouTube option under the social bar. Now click on it. From here, TikTok will tell you to log into your Google account associated with your YouTube channel, which you want to link to TikTok. After logging in, you will see your YouTube channel linked to your TikTok account, so that's how a link of YouTube channel will be added to your TikTok. Thanks for watching. Hope the video was helpful to you.